Alright, Tech Staff. Here I'm going to show you kind of the advanced Google Forms, which I think is kind of some of the more powerful stuff that you can do with Google Forms. So this is back at the very beginning of the year when we did our um, original warm-up. We had you um, enter your name and then click on a topic that you'd like to learn more about, saving photos to Google Drive. So we added all these things, and it was your choice on what you wanted to choose in the quiz or the form. And next we actually clicked add a section, which drops a section down like this. So you can see where we added like an image here. So we added this image in by clicking insert image, and you can search the internet for it. So we found this image. But then you have to link the two together. We also have this site where you could take you to learn more about Google Photos, and then how might you use this in your classroom. So what we do is once you create a section, it'll go to section 2 down here. You have to actually click go to section 2. So if you're going to click this, it's going to take you here to section 2. Okay? And as soon as they submit and they hit finish after section 2, we want to make sure that we go back to the start so they can choose again. So it kind of is like it's a choose your own adventure form. So you're setting it up to where students can actually choose to learn about something and maybe write a summary. So we added all these different sections. Like section 3 is gamification. And we actually had to link gamification here to section 3. Okay, so when the student clicks gamification, it would take them to that third section. So they can kind of choose how they want to. So you could set this up to where on, say, a multiple choice, you could have them, if it's 2 plus 2, you could have the right answer. If they get the wrong answer, it would take them to the second section where they'd have to like redo the lesson again. And then once they watch the video, they could retry the answer. So you can kind of send them down a path with Google Forms. Okay, so this is definitely a little bit more complicated, where you're going to use this add section and then actually link answers to another section so they can kind of jump around the form. And this is definitely takes time and is a difficult technique, but give it a shot, and I'll be here to help.